Russia's Almaz-Antey Group unveiled its Sokol new radar station capable of intercepting 50 drones of various types at the Fleet 2026 International Maritime Defense Show, a TASS correspondent reported from the scene. As its distinctive feature, the Sokol, as compared to our other systems of this type, for example, the Sova, primarily performs the functions of air defense, which is also capable of detecting and tracking ground and surface targets. The simultaneous use of several Sokol radars makes it possible to create a single information field. The system can spot an FPV drone at a distance of 2 km and fixed-wing UAVs at a range of 5 km and is capable of simultaneously tracking 50 drones, an Almaz-Antey representative told TASS. The company's representative also highlighted the new radar's key advantages as compared to other similar systems. It is small, light, mobile, and autonomous. It can be powered by a standard 220V outlet. You just plug it in and it is ready to operate. In addition, we should note our system's lower cost compared to others. The Fleet 2026 International Maritime Defense Show is running on the site of the Congress and Exhibition Center on the premises of the Naval Glory Museum in Kronstadt, St. Petersburg, on June 10 to 14. The Maritime Defense Show brings together representatives of the Navy and the government, major enterprises and leading experts in this sector.